At Sunnydale Elementary School, something magical is about to begin. Miss Jaya announces the field trip to a shoe factory and gives a book to a child. The kids cheer as they start their journey in a bus. Nivi, Nyra, and Riyan peer out of the windows. After traveling for some time, the kids finally reach the shoe factory. It's a big giant shoe-shaped building. The kids meet Mr. Raj, the supervisor of the Footsteps shoe factory. He waves his hand, holding a keychain basket.
First he takes them to the design den and says, before every shoe is made, it begins with a dream and a sketch. The kids point to a glittery boot and asks how it is made.
He takes the kids to the stitching station, where mechanical arms stitch fabric into shoe shapes. Riyan pretends to control the machines, as Mr. Raj helps him. Now he takes them to the sole central station, where heated molds press rubber soles onto shoes. Nyra tries to poke a bouncy sole as it wiggles. Next, Mr. Raj takes them to the paint and polish room, where the shoes get sprayed and colored. Now they go to the packing room, where a conveyor belt rolls the boxes forward, ribbons twirl onto the packages. A thank you note floats into view, saying take your best step. Mr. Raj pulls back the curtain, and a magical glow reveals custom shoes for each child. The kids take the shoes and come out of the factory. The bus drives home as the sky glows pink. The kids reach the home and in the evening they walk with the new shoe.